Hello everyone, this is your host Sam Nkemdirim Agoha. Great motivation program aviation at Munich International Airport. Guys, now we still there here live from great city. Pick your pen, pick your book. Let's go to work. Today we are talking about how to set your goals, because setting goals is one of the most highest form of creation and one of the most highest form of maturity. So guys, this is it. Pick your pen. Let's dive in right now as I speak. Guys, what is setting goals? Setting goals is a process that helps you to decide how you want to achieve your goals in life, because it is one of the most important things. Guys, now we still there here. Keep writing, guys. Number one, decide what you want in life. Decide what you want, what you're interested, and how to get there. It's very, very important. Write them down. Never forget it, because setting goals is one of the most important and one of the most highest form of creation. Pick your pen, keep writing. Now we still there here, guys. Write them down and never forget it. Guys, you have to plan your first move. Do not forget, there is ancient proverb that says a journey of 1,000 miles starts with a step. So guys, it's very, very important when you document your goals. This is one of the highest form of creation. Let's move in. Guys, break your goals down. It's very, very important, because some goals you need 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, even the rest of your life. And some goals you need next week, next month, next year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. This is why you have to break your goals down and then start watching it step by step. Very, very important. Never forget. Guys, commit with your goals. It's very, very important. Guys, you have to commit your goal to yourself. Very, very important. When you commit your goals to yourself, you encourage yourself, you stay positive, you stay mind, you stay very, very strong. It's very, very important. Never forget it. Guys, tell someone about your goals. It's also very, very important, because you can never achieve it alone. You need to tell someone that is going to help you, mentor you, direct you, tell you what to do, because you can never achieve your goals alone. This is the reason you have to tell some people about your goal. Very, very important. Guys, another one, compliment yourself. When you reach your goals, you have to compliment yourself. Compliment people that help you, thank them, appreciate it, and celebrate for yourself that you have made it to your goals. It's very, very important. Guys, this is one of the most highest form of creation. Planning your goals is very, very important. Never forget this. Guys, do not forget that setting goals give your life purpose, give your life meaning. It's very, very important. When you plan your goal, when you document your goals, never forget it. It is one of the highest form of creation. Stay with me, like this video, subscribe this channel, and share this channel. This is another powerful, great doings. Set your goals, document your goals. This is it. Now we there here. I love you. Choose.